Hello traders, hope you're all doing good. So highly volatile trading session, right? And we are going into the budget. So budget is just 3 days more or just one more trading day in between. That is Monday, right? So February 1st, I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, I think it's Tuesday. So we are going into the budget with the expectation there will be many people are talking about there will be some tax rate cut, and that 10 days they post video to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, which is not going to happen. They are not going to reduce any of the corporate tax, or they are not going to do anything for the business, or there is not going to be any tax reduction. I will tell you why. Because there is a term called physical deficit, right? So what is physical deficit? Let us assume India is having a tax revenue of 1,000 crores, okay, and India is having a expenditure of around 1,200 crores. There are various revenues. There are tax revenues. There are that revenue, that revenue. I'm not going into that. India is having a tax revenue of 1,000 crores, okay, but her expenditure is 1,200 crores, right? So that 200 crores is a physical deficit. Of course, I'm just saying in layman terms, but it is calculated in terms of GDP, percentage in GDP. So I'm not going into that. So what does that mean is India is spending more than its mean, right? India is spending more than she can afford. So that is what is happening in the last 2 years. 2021, you know what happened? Coronavirus, unexpected expenses, lot of expected expenses due to COVID situation, vaccination, medication, all these emergency situations. So India is this 2021 is going to be FY 2021 is going to be highest physical deficit in all this last maybe even one decade. So when there is a physical when the physical deficit is widening, you don't expect the government to reduce the rate. Will you do that? See, say for example, you are earning 5,000 rupees. Your expenditure is say 6,000 rupees. Will you reduce your income, or will you try to increase your income? Obviously, you will try to increase your income, right? That is what is happening here. When the physical deficit is widening, you don't expect the government of India to reduce the taxes. In turn, it will do the opposite way. That is the reason FIIs are selling heavily. They knew that this is a very simple logic. You don't have to see any indicator. You don't have to see that and this. You just think logically. When the expenses are going on the higher side and your revenue is decreasing, means nobody is going to decrease the taxes. They will try to keep the taxes in standard. Either they have to keep it in neutral or they have to increase. Apart from that, if you see, inflation is all-time high. If they reduce any corporate tax or do any kind of small taxes, it is going to boost the economy. In turn, it will increase the inflation only. We are already in higher inflation, so it is not going to be a budget where our finance minister is going to cut any taxes or anyway they are not going to put it in a very negative way. They will politically, or they will put it in a way that nobody is affected or nobody understands. So anyway, government is doing all these years like that only. No. So that is the reason, that could be one reason why the FIIs are selling. And as I told you, when the inflation is really high, no government, wherever you go and search, you go and see the history, when there is a higher inflation, there are less chances of cutting corporate tax or MSME tax or whatever tax, right? And if you see the crude oil price, today Brent crude is $90, right? There is upcoming state election, 5 state election. That is the only reason government of India is just holding the petrol price. If that elections are not there, maybe Petrol yesterday, I think 102 rupees I filled. Maybe it would have touched 110 rupees now. 100 and it's almost $90 now. So we'll see how things pan out. If you think India is going to, government Ministry of Finance is going to reduce any tax rate, or they are going to, it is not going to happen. It is very rare. With keeping that in mind, you decide whether you want to go into budget, carry forward your position or not. We are also having some position, but very light position. So we will see how what we can do. And if you see the markets are super volatile. And what is very interesting was that today's price action, if you see, 17,200, 17,300, 17,100. So it was going there and here, right? But very interesting fact was India VIX was not shooting up. That was that was very surprising. So in spite of all these movements, India VIX was not shooting. And let me tell you one more thing. If you see it in a monthly perspective, so we are fond of 5-minute candle and daily candle only, no? So if you see here, consecutively 3 months there is a formation of 2 months, spinning top or hammer, whatever, doji, I think, doji pattern. Have you ever seen a doji formation at the top and market going on the upside? If you have any chart, just send me, email me or WhatsApp me. I will look into that. There is no such chart where you will find a doji at the top, then market is going up. See the vertical move for the last 1 year, since March, after March 2020, we have moved exponentially. We have gone more than 23% or 25%. Far more better. We have performed far more better than US markets. You know, US markets have performed only 15% or 17%. We have performed shooted more than a US market. So that's not a good thing. So what I think is, for now, even if there is any good news, the upside is very much limited. So that's what I think. Maybe I am wrong. Even if we are wrong, we will try to manage our position. What else we will do? That's why we are here, right? And if you see the open interest, call rating is happening in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I think people are wide. They have returned calls from 17,500 all the way to 16,700. So 16,800 is going to be the support, right, for current market. So 16,800 was tested 2 days back, and 17,500 is going to be very hard to take out. And Bank Nifty, there is heavy call writing at 38,500. So people have returned options from 39,000 to 36,500 in both in Bank Nifty, right? So as I told you, if you are going into budget with expectation, you will be disappointed. There's not going to be any tax cut in budget. Maybe I'm wrong, but if there is any tax cut or any favorable news in favor of retailers or traders, I'll be very much surprised. There is nothing going to happen. Even if this cryptocurrency and all, they are telling there is going to be some taxation about cryptocurrency, that and this and all. I really don't know. But bill itself is not passed, no. Then how you can tax it? I don't know. First they have to regulate it, then they have to tax it, right? We'll see what is going to happen. Anyway, nothing much. Today is an Friday weekend. Nothing much to talk. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.